Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 the remote device or resource won't accept the connection. First method is type inetcpl.cpl in Windows search bar, click inetcpl.cpl. Click Connections, click LAN Settings. Uncheck Automatically Detect Settings, uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.